So you think you can manage the skies? It's a bold claim, but let's see if you have what it takes. Ever wonder who keeps those planes running on time? It's not just the pilots and flight attendants who make sure everything at the airport runs smoothly. From the moment you check in to the time you land, it's not magic, folks. It's the hard work of aviation managers. They are the backbone of the aviation industry. These are the unsung heroes of the aviation industry. They ensure that every flight is safe, on time, and efficient. They're the conductors of a high flying orchestra, making sure every instrument plays its part. Every detail matters. We're talking about a career that's demanding, rewarding, and always exciting. It's a job that requires precision and dedication. So buckle up, grab your headsets, and let's explore the world of an aviation manager. It's a journey like no other. This ain't your typical desk job. It's dynamic, fast paced, and full of surprises. You'll be in the thick of it, coordinating flights, managing staff, and dealing with whatever challenges come your way. Every day is different. Think you got what it takes? Let's find out. The skies are waiting for you to take control. Up in the air, what does an aviation manager do? Aviation managers are the brains behind the operation. They're responsible for the safe and efficient running of airports, airlines, or even government agencies. Think of them as the air traffic controllers of the ground crew. They oversee everything from aircraft maintenance to customer service. They work closely with pilots, air traffic controllers, ground crew, and other aviation professionals. Communication is key in this role. You need to be able to effectively communicate with everyone, from the CEO to the baggage handler. Keeping planes flying involves a myriad of responsibilities and skills. So, what does a typical day look like for an aviation manager? It's a role that requires versatility and adaptability. Well, there's no such thing as typical in this job. Each day brings new challenges, and opportunities. One day you might be managing budgets and negotiating contracts, ensuring that financial resources are allocated efficiently. The next day you could be dealing with a delayed flight or a weather emergency, requiring quick decision making and effective communication. You need a cool head and the ability to think on your feet, especially in high pressure situations. Strong organizational skills are a must, along with excellent problem solving abilities to tackle operational challenges. A bachelor's degree in aviation management or a related field is usually required, providing the foundational knowledge needed for the role. And prior experience in the aviation industry is a definite plus. This experience helps in understanding the complexities of aviation operations and enhances decision making skills. Continuous learning and networking are also important, as the aviation industry is constantly evolving with new technologies and regulations. Leadership and mentoring skills are crucial, as you will often be guiding a team and helping junior staff develop their careers. Ensuring compliance with safety regulations and conducting regular safety audits are also key responsibilities, as safety is paramount in aviation. Ultimately, the role of an aviation manager is both challenging and rewarding, requiring a blend of technical knowledge, managerial skills, and a passion for aviation. Section 4: The Wild Blue Yonder: Challenges and Rewards. This job isn't for the faint of heart. It's demanding, fast paced, and requires a lot of responsibility. You'll be working long hours, including weekends and holidays. The pressure is always on to keep things running smoothly. But the rewards are worth it. You'll be part of a dynamic and exciting industry. You'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're playing a vital role in connecting people and places. And the salary ain't bad either, with the potential for high earnings as you gain experience. Section 5: Reaching New Altitudes: Career Progression and Opportunities. The sky's the limit when it comes to career progression. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, the aviation industry offers a wealth of opportunities for growth and advancement. With experience, you could move into senior management positions, such as airport director or chief operating officer. These roles come with significant responsibilities and the chance to make impactful decisions. You could also specialize in a particular area, like safety management or ground operations. Specializing allows you to become an expert in your field, opening doors to niche roles that are both challenging and rewarding. The aviation industry is always evolving, which means there are always new opportunities on the horizon. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies can give you a competitive edge. So, if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career that's anything but ordinary, this might be the perfect fit for you. The dynamic nature of the industry ensures that no 2 days are the same. Do your research, get the necessary qualifications, and prepare for takeoff. Continuous learning and professional development are key to reaching new heights in your aviation career.